Hey guys, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we're doing a quick update on Earn Bonk. This site has upgraded. You now need to log in with your Gmail account. After you log in, your dashboard is on the left as usual. The big change is the layout. You simply select Faucet from your dashboard and solve the CAPTCHA in the center of your screen. The CAPTCHA is simple. You choose the right logo, then select Swing Axe. That's it, your account balance should be updated. There's a short time between each claim, and you can claim up to 1,000 times a day. The more you claim, the more likely you are to win the jackpot. The jackpot awards up to 15,000 bonk tokens. You get about 10 bonk each claim. I'm going to speed up the footage while I make a few claims. This site is very simple and takes very little effort to earn. I work on this site and earn Trump at the same time. They are very similar. You can switch tabs in between each claim. As you can see, I'm switching back and forth between Earn Trump and Earn Bonk. You're going to have to verify your account on Telegram before you can cash out. When you're ready to withdraw, just select Wallet on your dashboard. The coins go directly to your C-Wallet account. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.